Our objective is to understand that multiplication is repeated addition. We will draw two vertical lines across the vertical lines of the grid. Now we will mark the meeting points of the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. Now we will number the meeting points of the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. Now let us number the horizontal lines. Now look, each line has two dots. Now when in the first line we have only two dots, so we have written only two. When you go to the second line, you will see that you come across two more dots. So the addition fact is 2 plus 2, and you can see the dot number there is 4. So we can also count and find out that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now in line number 3, we can see that the dot number there is 6. So when we reach line number 3, we are adding 2 3 times. One in first line, second time in the second line, and third time in the third line. So it is 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6. Similarly, in the fourth line, we are adding 2 4 times. So we have written 2 4 times. That is, the addition fact is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and the sum will be 8. And see at the diagram, your dot number is also 8. Similarly, in the fifth line, we are adding 2 5 times. If you count, you will see your sum will be 10, and see the dot number in the fifth line is also 10. Like this it goes on, and finally in the 10th line we are adding 2 10 times, and the answer is 20, and see the dot number on the 10th line is also 20. Now we will convert the addition facts into multiplication facts. In the first line we have written 2 only once, so the multiplication fact will be 1 times 2, and the product is 2. Now in the second line we have written 2 twice, so the multiplication fact will be 2 times 2. The product is 4. Similarly, the sum is also 4. Now in the third line we have written 2 thrice, so in the multiplication fact it is 3 times 2. The product is 6, which is equal to the sum. Then we come to the fourth line where we have written 2 4 times, and the sum is 8, and 4 times 2 is also 8. Like this it goes on, and then in the 10th line we have added 2 10 times, and the sum is 20, and the multiplication fact for it is 10 times 2. The product is also 20. Thus we can say that multiplication is repeated addition.